Welcome to Unit 2, Lesson 14. What do you know about polynomials? Let's put together what we've learned about polynomials so far. So this lesson is more of a partner work, so this video is going to be very short. Okay, let's read the statement and then let's see what's going on. G of x is a polynomial. Here's some things we know about it. It has degree 3. So that means the highest exponent is x cubed. X and x plus 4 are factors. Okay. It has 2 horizontal intercepts, but only one is negative. Its leading coefficient is negative, so that means it's negative x times x plus 4. But if we were to distribute this x, we would get negative x squared, not negative x cubed. So one of these has to have multiplicity. I don't know which one, so I will just put the multiplicity first. Negative x squared x plus 4. To go from a factor, this is a polynomial in factored form. To go from a factor to an intercept, you switch the signs. And now, if we were to graph this, if we set everything equal to 0, our intercept is at 0. 1 is at negative 4. Negative x cubed starts high and comes low. So it has through the x-axis. It has multiplicity at x squared. So it comes down. Multiplicity means it doubles back, and it should look something like that. If we put the multiplicity at the x minus 4, then it would double back and then come back down. So something like that. I don't know which one, but you pick it, make a decision, and that is the answer to that one. Now with this one, what you're going to do is work with a partner. Write a polynomial of degree 3 or 4 in factored form. So x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2. It doesn't matter which numbers you pick. This is factored form where you have your factors. So whatever your initial is. So my name is Justin, so I will put j of x equals this. Sketch a graph of the polynomial. My factors are at negative 1, positive 1, negative 2, and positive 2. I'm positive x even, so I'm going to start high and end high. I'm going to multiply my numbers together. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. So now I'm going to start high. I'm going to come back through 4. And I'm going to go back up. Now, they wanted us in C, they want us to rewrite this in standard form. So I'm going to do x plus 1, x minus 1. When I double distribute, I get minus x plus x minus 1. I'm going to do the 2's. I get x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. I get x squared minus 1 times x squared minus 4. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go x to the 4th minus 4x minus 1x squared, and then plus 4. And that's going to give me x to the 4th minus 5x squared, no x term, plus 4. You're going to make up whatever you want, switch it with your partner, understand how to write it in factored form, understand how to sketch the graph, and understand that you got to multiply 2, 3, or 4 factors at a time to get your answer. And that is all for the lesson. That's what we're going to do, and we're going to go right to the practice problem. So watch for that video.